Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amir Mehdi. In this one we're gonna talk about method index in Python. So this method works just as method find, but with a little difference. Let me show you. So you wanna find something in a string, right? Write a is equal to string, my string. And when you want to use a string method, you store it in another variable and you write a dot index. So here you could give 3 arguments, and first one is required, and second one and third one are optional. First one is a value that you're searching for, let's say a, and second argument is where you want to begin your searching, so let's say 2, and third one is where you want to end your searching, let's just say 7. So you simply print your variable d. So when you use this index method, you have to know your value is in the string. If your value is not in the string, don't use it. Use method find. So we don't know our value is in the string, and we run our code. We got an error because it should be in a string, but if you use method find, it's give you -1, which means it's not an error, it's a simple result and your value was not in the string. So that was it. This is over. If you like this video, support our channel and subscribe and like this video. We're done till next one. Peace.